Okay. Let me know if you can see my screen. Yeah. Right. So we have built this application now already. So I give also one hands-on for you to practice a scenario. So now we'll go to one more scenario we'll develop using the Modulepool program. So we'll design this screen now. This screen number 100. Screen number 100. In this screen, right, what we do is we'll create fields here, MATNR, MTRT, MATKL, MEINS here. These 4 fields. Okay. As a input fields. User will insert the data into these fields. So once user click on a button, so we'll create a new button. We'll create a button here. Insert. Update. Insert, update, modify, delete. When user performs this operation, delete. Data should update or modify or delete in our custom table. This is our custom table. This is my table. In this, I have the data fields MATNR, MATKL, MATNR, MTRT, right? MATNR, MTRT, MATKL, MEINS here. So this table should update with these buttons when you click here, these buttons. Any of these buttons you click, this should done this operation. Here. And you place one button for the exit purpose here. Exit. Exit to come out of the screen here. So this type of things will build now. Okay. So first step is to create a new table. Go and create a new custom table. Right. Go to S11. ZMAH_Mara. So 27 December here. Click on create. So warning, maybe I can reduce the length of this one. Because of very lengthy, it is giving that. Amazon December. Right. Click on create. Right. Materials information. Materials information. Choose here as daily class as marked on transaction data. This is not required now to choose or maintain or load. Why? Because the data you are inserting from the program. Go to here. Use the field names here. MANDT, MATNR, MATKL, MEANS. Why MEANT field is required here? Anyone can tell? Is it required? Is it mandatory? Why MEANT is required? Huh? What is the purpose of MEANT field? What is the purpose of client field? Save in the package.
System, because of system.
No. In every table you see this field, right? What is the purpose of this MEANT field? What it signifies that MEANT field? You go to Mara table or EKQ or sales orders or any tables, right? Database tables. the business data tables, you see that MA and DP. What is the purpose of that?
Like our development quality client, like.
Basically, it will specify the client specific data from which client the data has been inserted.
Yeah.
Client, it will specify the client information. When which client data has been updated, because the business data is client specific. I showed you practically earlier. All business data, whatever we create, materials, so purchase orders, so sales orders, so everything is the client business data. Non-business data, what is the example of non-business data? Table name, data element, domain, program name. This is not a business data. That is the technical data. Hmm? Right? So, hence you need this MA unit, not mandatory. MA unit is not mandatory. Okay? And material number is save it now. Okay, think 1 minute now. Okay, go to technical settings, go to technical settings here, master transaction data, size category, number of records. Now think 1 minute, save it this one. Okay, if I try to insert the data into this table, how many records you can insert into this table? Think and tell me.
One record only.
Hmm?
One.
Hmm.
Only one record.
Correct, only one record. Only one record, right? Why it is only one record? Why not more than one record?
Mandate is a primary key. So
Correct.
we cannot.
Correct. Because there is a primary key. So because it's the primary key, right? So it won't allow more than one record into this one with this client number. What is the reason? This is the concept of your primary key. Right? Now if I choose material number also, right? Now how many records will I allow to insert into this table? Right? N number of records. Because each time material number is new, it will allow n number of records. Now we created a table here, this flow. We created a table. Right? We created a table here, this row. So I created this table now. This table now. December MATL. Now what is the next step is I will create a new program to have all this information, these fields and these buttons. Go to the CAT. Right? Create a new program, Modulepool, material update. Material update. Press enter. Click on yes. Right? Go to material update. Go to here, Modulepool, material update. Right? So the package here now here. Right? Same steps what we have done in the previous program. Right click, activate this. Right? Now create a new screen. Right click, create screen here. Say screen number 100 you give. Okay. You can write here. Multiple screen Modulepool screen for our material update screen. Custom material update screen. Okay. Now go to the layout here. To build the screen buttons and the fields here. Okay. Now. One second. No? Right. Go to here now. So do you remember the previous step? What I should do now? Go to here. Take the fields from the table dictionary. Click here. Copy paste the table name here. This is my table name. Click on enter. Get from dictionary here. Right. I choose here material number, material group. The MDRT I have not given. I'll give the MDRT also better. Go to here. Table. I'll give MDRT. I'll choose here one extra row. MDRT. MDRT. So data element MDRT. Right. Activate this one now. Then it will be effective. Now you can see this field as well. Go to here. Screen. Right. The screen painter. Again choose here. Right now. Get from dictionary. See one more field has come extra. Choose all these 4 fields. Place it on the screen here. Okay. This information once you push the buttons, the data should go. So next button is insert. Right. Drag here. Give as insert here. Right. Push button as push button 1. Name is you can give any name here. So for this, you should give the FCT code to capture in the runtime. Insert. Okay. Next, update. For that, we'll create here update as a name. Text. The name of that is I can give push button 2, and then I can give here is update. Right, update. Right, insert I give insert. Update I give update here. Okay. So delete I'll give the delete as well. Delete. Delete. Push button 3. Right here. Double click here. Delete here. Modify. So you can create a modify push button as well. Modify. Right. Push button 4. Modify is you can give the FCT code as modify. So that runtime this will bring to your system variable. Insert, update, modify, delete, and you can give the exit button. Exit. Exit to come out of the screen. Exit. Here. Exit. Next here push button for 1, 2, 3, 5. Push button 5. So sorry. So name should be push button 5. And this should be the exit here. Right? Save it now. Right? Back. Right? Activate this one. Right click. Activate. Double click here. Then activate here. Okay, activated now. We'll remove all the other things. Okay, I'll remove this one. Cancel the screen. Right. This screen also not required. Cancel this screen as well. Right. This one also cancel, not required. Cancel this one. Now tell me, okay, what I should do here, first step here in the code point of view. Right, this is skin we have designed. We have designed this one now. We have designed this one now. This is skin number 100 here. Okay, this is skin number 100. We have designed here. Now I said, right, every screen number, this is screen. Every screen, right? Every screen will be having the two blocks of the code. One is PBO, process before output. And one is PAI, process before output. This is what I just now said. Right? This is a screen. For every screen, will be having this two associated with these buttons. Process before output. Next process after input here now. Okay. Now tell me this button's code. To execute this button's code, you should write here or here. Where you should write? Okay. Think 1 minute where you should write the code now. So we have the buttons. If I click on this button after entering the value here, so user should expect the data to be updated into this custom table, this flow. Think the code you should write here or here.
In PAI.
PA, because this is the action on the screen. For any action, the screen will trigger this one. I'll go to here, right? Double screen number 100. Take an uncomment this one here. Double click the user module name. This is like subroutine. It's asking that where you want to create. Yes. I want to create in the same program below. Enter here. Click on yes. Now you should write the code here. What I should write, for example, if sy-ucom equal to insert. Insert, I should write insert right, custom table name from table name. Right? Why this error is coming? Think 1 minute. Why this is coming? Just now we have solved this problem. Earlier session, morning, today morning. To expecting the table statement, right? Work area. Here. Now it will not execute. Right? Now how to resolve this error? See the screen now. How to resolve this error? How to resolve this error? What this error is saying? What is missing here? Right? What is this statement? See, this is simple error, right? What it's saying? Read this message.
And if missing.
And if is missing. What is the line number 16 will do? It will insert one record into the database table here. Custom table. It will insert one record from the database table. Okay. Like that, suppose if we do S5 -ecom equal to delete, for example. So what I should write here? Think 1 minute. What I should write here? Delete, right? Database table from from what you are giving is the work area. This is the work area, not a database table. This one. So one record will delete here. How do you know the data is inserted successfully or failure? What do you do? How do you know user will knows the data is inserted successfully? What should you write? If S5 sub bar C equal to 0, right? Message record inserted successfully. Type information message. This is where the information message is here. Else right? Record not inserted. Okay. Same thing here also. You can give here check syntax here. And if here. Check syntax. Delete spelling mistake here. Right here also one end if is missing here. Which end if you are missing here? Here we can write here else if not again else if. Right, no error now. Activate this one now. So for this also you can write as condition here. If S5 sub bar C equal to 0, record deleted successfully. Let's record not deleted here. What is the I purpose? Why I am giving I here? Right now, why I am giving I? What is the purpose of I here? I is for information message. Okay. Now let's see. Activate this one. I have not written the for other buttons. We'll first execute this one. Right click, create transaction. Right, we need a transaction code to execute this because it's not an executable program. Material update. Material update December. Right, you can use short text also same here. Choose the dialog program because this is a Modulepool program. Choose here. Copy paste the program name here. Choose scale numbers here. Choose for the compatibility of the browser and all. Activate this one now. Right, save it to the package now. I think exit button not written the code. We should write the code here. Go to here. Go to here. Right, one more button is there. Right, else if specify hyphen ecom equal to exit. Right, leave program here. Right click and activate now. Right, now go to here. Transaction execute now. You'll get that screen here. So I'll give some material number here as material number 200. Okay. And maybe material type is raw material. Material group is some 01 here. Base unit sum is there as kg here. Okay. That will go material number 100 only here. Right. Click on save. Insert. Record inserted successfully. How to check that? Go to the table. Check the contents here. Execute. DC one record came automatically here. Okay. Now I'll create one more record. Material number 200. Will this become success or not? No. If I click on insert, now record is success here. Suppose now I give as M100 only, but here instead of raw, I give finished material here. And maybe I'll give some back here. Now think and tell me the data, this data will insert or not? Think 1 minute. Tell me. Already 2 records are there. See the data here. Do you see? These 2 records are here. 2 records here. Now I'm going to insert the third record. Will you accept it or not?
Will not accept.
Correct. Why? Because
The material M200 is already inserted.
so already there is a material number with the primary key M200. It won't insert. Click on insert here. See, record not inserted because we put a message there in the program. Okay. Whereas, okay, if I click on delete, what will happen? If I click on a delete button, what will happen?
Second record will be deleted.
Deleted. Click on delete here. Not happening here. Check it here.
Not deleted.
No. So we should analyze why it is not happening. Go back.
Code.
The breakpoint. Analyze here. Put a breakpoint here. Right. Execute. Right. Go the material numbers here. Right. Click on delete button here. Right. Now check it here. Let me check here. 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 F6. No. What is SI you come here? See the mistake what I did. See the mistake you can see right side screen. SI com value. Check it SI com value. You know the reason.
Spelling mistake.
Spelling mistake. Right? In the screen, now I give this name. How do you know? Go to screen here. Open this program parallel SAT. Right, in the SAT, you go to the screen now. Go to here. Go to the layout. Right, delete button here. Right, in the right side, what name I give here? The FCT code. See my screen here. What name I give here? Instead of DELE, I give. That is the reason. Right? Now I can change in the screen or I can change the program only. Anything is fine. Go back. Exit. Exit. Go to the screen. Go to the layout. Double click this button. Right here, you can see here delete. So I should change here. Go to change mode here. Right here. Delete now. DELET here. Let's save it now. Back. Activate. Right, execute now. Right, go the material number 200. Right, click on delete button now. Right. Now this become true or false. Line number 22. Where is the control currently? Line number 22. True. Right. Now what this statement will do, line number 23 will do?
That will delete that particular code.
Code from the stand custom table. So SY suburbs become 0. If SY suburbs is equal to 0, show that record has been deleted here. You can check it here. Go to the table here. Check it, refresh here. So material number 200 is gone now. Right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, think and tell me what is the difference between update and modify statements? We are not written the code for modify and update. What is the purpose of modify and update? This flow, what I am doing today is, this is the entire flow of IT industry. Any database updates is happening. This is the flow happening every of any programming language in the IT industry, not only SAP ABAP. This database updates will be the database select statements and database, this database operations you are doing, updates you are doing. Think the difference between modify and update, so that I'll write a code accordingly. What the difference between update and modify? You check in the ChatGPT also. You should be able to use ChatGPT. You should be very fast to use the ChatGPT nowadays. Now it is very important. Check in ChatGPT what the purpose of this update and delete defines in the ABAP program. Ask ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT what is the difference between update and modify statements in SAP ABAP. Hmm? Can you hear me? Hello? What is the difference between this button and this button? What should happen? What do we expect?
That changes the existing records.
Correct. Modify?
Modify here we can insert and update. Both insert and update.
If there is no record existing with the given primary key value, modify will create a new record. Whereas update will not create a new record. Okay. Let us will write a code for the modify and update. Let us write a code for that. Right. What I do is I'll go to here, go to user command. Right. One more else if here. Else if sy-ucom equal to, right, modify modify custom table name. That syntax here. Right, same thing. If s sub c equal to 0, right, message record modified successfully. Type information message. Right, else if, right, else message record not modified. Type information message. And if here, right, check syntax here.
That will be seen.
Get this. Only 1 minute, just hold 1 minute. Huh? Sorry. So you can see my screen. Right here. For the same thing for modify also we should do, right? Modify I have done. Update also. Right? Here. Else if specify ecom equal to specify ecom equal to right here. Update, right? Update here. Right? Same thing here. Update custom table from using the work area. This is using the work area. Update record in the standard table using work area. This is the concept of this statement here. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me check it. Check syntax, no syntax, activate, right? Now, what is the record I'm having here in the my table is my database table. Right here. This yields of measure I'll modify. Instead of kg, I'll make it a bag here. Okay. For that, here, right? M100. Sorry, I will execute here. Right, activate, execute. I'll remove this breakpoint. Execute here. Execute. Execute here. Right, I'll give here as right M100. Right, M100. Right here, material type I'll give as raw material. Right, material group 01. So here, right, base units of measure already it is there as a kg. I'll give as a bag here. Let's see if it works or not. If I use the first, I use the update statement. Update. Right. So we don't know if it's correct or not. Right. Let me check it here. Update. See, now it's done as a bag here. This updated here. Why the message has not come? Let us check it here. Go to here. Update. Right. Think of why the update statement message is not coming here. Think 1 minute here. See the code you understood. See the code. After updating successfully, you are not getting any message. Why? See the code, you will understood automatically. Data is updated successfully, but data is not reflecting. I mean, message you are not getting. What code I am missing here?
The message statement.
Correct,
Yes,
because I have not written the
yes,
message statement. What I should write here? If sy sub or c equal to 0, message, right? Record updated successfully. Right? Type I. Else message record not updated successfully. Type E. End of here. Let's check syntax now. Okay. Update. Again, I update to now currently what value is there here. It is there as a bag. I'll make it to KZ now. Go back again. Right, execute the transaction code. Execute. Right. View this value. Right now I'll give back to KZ now. Right. KZ. Update. Right, update successfully. Check it here in the database. The KZ now. Okay. Now I will apply the modify statement. Maybe for this one I'll make it as a instead of raw I'll give the finished material here. Instead of raw I'll give the finished material. I'll click on modify statement. Check it modify statement here. See why the error is not message is not coming. Check it updated or not. Material type should be finished here. No, not updated. Think of why. What could be the reason? Modify is not updating. How to find out this type of errors? Only debug mode only. Go to here. Put a breakpoint here. Put a breakpoint here. Right. Execute now. Transaction. Right. Give the values here. I want to finish thing. Right. Currently, what values are there here? See all tab here. M100. Raw material is there. You want to make it as a finished material. 01 kg. That you are doing modify here. Click on modify here. So where is my control now? Right. This is become true or false. Where is my control currently? Which line number?
Is false.
22. 22 will become false. Right. This become true or false. Line number 31.
False.
False. Line number 34 will become true or false.
True.
Huh?
Modify small.
So
Case
true or
sensitive.
false?
Case sensitive.
Yes, correct. 100%. Hence, line number 34 will not execute. 35. See here. See, it won't go to here. So what is the mistake? You should give must as a capital letters. Here, this is single quotes. What you are writing here. Go to here. Go to here. Right here. You should give as a modify here. Modify here. MODY. Modify. Right. Activate this now. Right. Execute now. Right. Right click. Execute. Right. Do the same thing here. Right. Click on modify. Right. Now this will become modify. Modify. Right. This will become true. Modify. Modify success here. So that is updated, modified here. You can see in the table. Go to here. Table. Cross check this one here. We see now FIN came here. Right? Hello? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, if I go M200, okay, think 1 minute. Here I'll give as a bag here. Think 1 minute. If I click on modify statement, what will happen? See the data here. This is the data currently. Now, if I click,
one new record will be inserted.
So new record will be inserted with material number 200.
200.
Click on modify here. Execute. Record modified successfully. Go to table and check it here. Refresh here. See, this is the difference between modify and update. Right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is a very, very important flow to understood for every IT people, not only ABAP people. The information, the concept here. Okay. So quickly I'll give some homework to you on this topic only. Let me share. I'll put in the WhatsApp this one. We have built the below flow. So the custom table structure also I will provide you. When you click on the push buttons, the respective operations will execute. Okay. If you want the code, I will copy paste that code as well. This is the code. And screen code is this one. Okay. Any questions here? This is a very important flow. So how to make the field? 1 second. I think I should give the homework, right? 1 second. You see my screen? Right. So what you should do is you should create one new screen number 100 here. Screen number 100. In this one, what you should take the fields is MATNR, works, right? EKGRP, right? And 2 more fields we are taking. Right? What are the other 2 types fields we are taking? Quantity fields, right? So we were taking a reorder pointer ESB, MINBE, right? MINBE. And other field is EANSB. So we should create one table this one, not this here. We should create a new table Z MAH underscore master table. If you practice this, what I'm giving, right? It will cover all your topics of your dictionary. Every topic will be covered. So you create this table here. This is the table. And make sure that you have first field as MANDT here. This is your table, custom table. Okay. This is the skin fields. So you should create a buttons here. Same buttons like what I did in the class. Insert. Update. Modify. Delete. And exit button. Exit. So the operations will be the same. So once you do the insert statement, data should go to here insert table here. Suppose you do the update statement, data should go to here. The same flow what I have done in the class. If you do modify, data should go and update into your custom table. If you do the delete statement, it should go and update the data statement. If you click on exit, control should come out of the program. This is the flow should build. Go to here, take. Build the above. Build the above flow. Use it module pool program. Okay. Right, one more go. So we'll just go to the one more concept. Same module pool programming only. I'll take some more time till 11:30. Okay? You see my screen here. Okay. Suppose here, right? You want to make this field as a mandatory to enter. What you can do is go to here. Go to screen number 100. Go to here. Go to the layout. Double click here. You have the option here. Go to program, input, required. See, the moment you give the required, it becomes as a mandatory here. Drive back, activate, right? Now this becomes a mandatory input field here. Go to here, right click and activate, execute now. See here now. This will become mandatory here now. Right, because you are not entered. Hello, are you getting the point here? In the screen attributes, the table field attributes, we can make it that as a property. So that this will become as a mandatory. Now, if you click on exit button, it will work or not? It will not work, right? Because you are not entering the data into the mandatory fields. So think 1 minute, I'll give 5 minutes time more. Think how to close this screen. How to close this screen without entering the data into this table field. This is mandatory field, mandatory. Search in Google or ChatGPT how to exit the screen without entering the data to the mandatory fields. Try. So if I click on exit, right? Screen should close it because the code we have written. But it is not allowing because it is a mandatory. So there is one concept. If you apply that concept, right, you can close this screen without entering the data to the mandatory fields. Think 1 minute or search in ChatGPT or Google. Explore 5 minutes. Did we got anything? No. Did we got
No,
it?
sir. Cannot find it.
Hmm.
The escape key.
Uh-huh.
Well, we can use escape key.
No.
Well, cannot
No.
find it. So
Oh, there is some coding is there. Small coding we should apply. Four different options. So hint is to
is that
at exit command. Hint is at exit command. And then space search with this command. Any clue? If you search with this at exit command. Hello? Are you able to listen? My voice is clear? Is my voice clear?
okay, sir? It's clear.
Clear, right? So you search with at exit command. Maybe chat GPT, if you go to chat GPT. Or exit command. Or you can ask chat GPT use of or exit hyphen command in SAP ABAP. What I asked not exit, right? It is saying that all exit statement, no, right? See here. I asked for at exit command, not exit. So I'll write here. To close that button, right, what you should do is you should write at exit command here. Go to here, exit, give some value, click on exit. This is an interview question. What is the purpose of what exit command? Go to here. You can write one more here, module m underscore exit screen. You should write at exit command here. This is the news. I mean, it's one event you can say, or one statement here. Here you should write a code here. Double click here. Click on yes. Click on yes here. Click on yes. You can write here. If sy-1 ucom equal to exit. Same program only, code only. But that button you should press one more button for this leave program. And if here. Now activate this one. Right now go to here. Scan number 100. Create one more button for the exit button. You can go to here. You can write here. You can write, for example, close screen. Okay, close screen. And here, give here push button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit push button 6 here. And for this also you write as exit here. Exit only. You don't write anything extra. What you do extra here is you go to here. There is option here, FCT type here. E is for exit command here. Exit, save it now. Now this will behave differently. When you click on this one, no, it won't search for any mandatory fields to be entered the data by the user. A control comes out of the program. Back, right click, activate. This is editing. So what do you do? Double click here. Now activate here. You remove the breakpoint here now. Execute. Right? Now don't give any value here. Right? Try to exit now. Say this is not working here now. Right? Whereas if you click on here, this will work. Right? So this is the flow, actually the concept. Concept is this one. We have written the code, this one. This code. So when you have this button, right, system what it will do is it will check there is any statement with this one not exit command. So first it will execute this one without any checking the mandatory fields data. It will not check any mandatory fields data. This statement. Okay, let's comment this one here. Fix syntax. Or syntax. Fix syntax. Activate here. Okay, this is the concept. Okay. So one more, I'll start this tab step. Very important topic. I'll quickly finish that and we will wind up for the day. Tab step means like this you see here, right? This is the tab step. Like this tabs you can put it here. Tab steps. Okay, how to place that is create a new program here. Tab step, press enter,
Click on S. Create a new ABAP program. Choose a module pool. Press enter. Go to save here. Package. Enter. Okay. Tab step. Right click this. Activate. Okay. Now create a new skin here. Go to skin here. Right. Right click. Okay. Right click here. Create screen here. Screen. Say skin number 100. Okay. Go to here. Tab step demo. Okay. Go to the layout here. So there is a tab step option. First press the material number here. Go to here. Choose from Mora table. Click on get from dictionary. Take a material number here. Okay. And once the material number is entered, we'll give two options here to the user. But that what you do is go to here, tab step, control. Drag this tab step control right side. Okay, give the name as tab step. You can give any name, tab step. And you can place a subskin area on this one to place the fields. For that, what you do is there is one subskin area. Drag this one here. Drag and put here. You can make it this one is big here. Right? And then give the name for this subskin area. You can give a subskin area. Any name you can give here. And for here, the push button. So, for example, you can give here as Mara. Okay. Text here is Mara. And FCD code also you can give as Mara here. Okay. Next second button here. Go to here, push button 2. You can give here as MARC. Right. Give the name also MARC here. Text is MARC here now. Okay. And here FCT code we are given here. Yes. Right. Here, double click this one here. You should give the reference here, the subskin area. Here. This is the concept. The concept here is tab step concept is like this. This is the tab step. Tab step. Tab step is one control to place the data in the tabs wise. In this, what you are doing is you are creating a subskin area. See your subskin area. Into this subskin area, you are going to call subskins here. Subskin 200. You are going to create two subskins here and subskin 300 here. So you are going to create that. You are going to call in the runtime here. So we have done this one. This is the main skin here. Skin number 100 here. Okay. Now we'll create these two subskins. Go back to the code. Right. Right. Now double click, right click, create one more skin. We have one skin already. Two more skins. Right click, create screen 200. Mora data display. Okay. Save it now. Go to the layout. Choose fields from Mora table. Go to here. Choose material number. Created on. Created by. Material type. Right. Material industry. Material group you can give. Units of measure. Drag here. Okay. Save it here. If you want, you can give some text also here. You can say here, Mora data display. Mora data display. Okay, you can give a text box one here. That's all now. Back. Same thing you should do in MARC also. Go to here, create one more skin, create skin number 300. Choose as a sub skin here. Give here is MARC data display. Okay, save it now. Right, go to the layout. First, you can place one text box here. MARC data display. Here you can give here text box 1. Okay, this is only for the heading purpose. And you can place the fields here from Marcy table. Go to here, get from dictionary, Marcy table, MATNR, client, DKGRP. Right, we are using the fields now. Array order point, you can use these points. Enter here. Save it now. Back. Okay. Check syntax. Now you should write a code here for this one here. Go to skin number 100. Go to the flow logic. So how to place the data here is, you should write a code here. I'll take a reference code. Okay, if I go to here, tab step, go to here, open this program in SAT. I'm taking the reference code. Okay, go to here, skill number 100. Okay, I will copy this code for reference. right here next to Control Control C. Do you see my screen?
No, sir.
Now you can see my screen right here. So what we do here is we should call here call subscreen area including this is syntax call subscreen area including this one subscreen number here. Call subscreen area including okay, and here right call subscreen area. Call here subscreen area here. Now next in the program, what you should do is go to here. You should define the tab steps here. How do the tab step is? Tab step here. Okay, I'll explain this one. What is this one we are doing here? Table statement. Tab step. Tab step. Right. What we say it here. Tab step not required to define. Okay. Let's see now. Right here. You write the code here. In the main program. Okay, what you should code write is you should write this code. If s5 equal to Mora, so it's list of Mora. Okay. Else if s5 1 you com equal to marc table, marc button, right? The same thing, you should make it to different screen here now. Marc, where matter equal to Marc hyphen Mora hyphen matter only. And here make it executive tab is Marc here. And one more else if statement for exit button. Else if s5 hyphen you com equal to exit Play program. Okay. Save this one. Let's check syntax. Tabs. Controls. Tab step. Tab step. Activate now. Okay, let us execute. Create a transaction code for this one. Choose this, right click, create transaction. Get MAH underscore tab step transaction. Tab step program. Change it here. Give program name. Choose the screen number here. Save it here. Save it. Package. Okay. Check if the screen number 200 is subscreen. It should be subscreen here. Should be subscreen here. 300 should be subscreen here. Yes. Activate now. The exit button we are not placed. Double click here. Right. You can press the exit button also. You are able to listen clearly my voice, right? Hello? Is voice clear? Exit.
Yes, sir.
Push button 3. Exit here. Now let's see. Back. Right click. Activate. So means we have to double click here. Activate now. All right. Go to here. Transaction. Right. Choose the material number here. Click on Mercy. So data come from Mercy here. Click on Mara. Data should come from Mara table. When I click on Mercy, data is not coming all the data. Mercy. Let us put a breakpoint here. Exit. Go to here. Go to here. Put a breakpoint here. Oh, screen number 300. It should be 300 here. Not 200 here. Activate now. Execute. Put a breakpoint here. Execute now. Execute. Right. Choose a material number here. This is called tab step. Click on Mercy table. Tab. So this will become MARC. So where will the control go to here? Right. This will become true. So what this select statement will do? Line number 24 will do exactly. What 24 will do? It being one record from the database table for a given material number here. And place on the skins. This is you are making the second skin active. This one. Tab step active, tab Morsi. And making subskin number equal to 300 here. Execute. See subskin number 300 is active. This is subskin actually here. What could be the reason this empty? These values? What could be the reason for this one? might be data is not there in this table. That's the reason, right? Now if I click on Mara, right, it goes to here. This become true. This statement will become execute. Data has come to your Mara first screen fields. Then you are making the active tab equal to Mara. Then subscreen number you are making active as 200 here. This is subscreen here. This flow. Subscreen 200 you are placing the data of Mara here. Here you are placing the data of Mars here. Right here. Right here. We click on here. This is Mars data. This is what we go in the heading here. Right? Mars data. Right? Data comes from Mars now here. This is Mars data. If I click on Mara, Mara data will come here. Okay. So you can build this one similar to this one. I'll give the
in the WhatsApp group.
practice this one. If any doubts, right, you can ping me.
So,
Let me, I'll give that homework quickly and then I'll stop the class. Tab step. To do the same thing, instead of Morse table, take MARD table and display the records. Okay, let's stop here.